Hi, I'm Don Shepard. I've had an amazing life. I have a wonderful wife. I have 2 great children. I've had so many adventures. Last year, I thought, I want all this to continue. Bicycling has always been an important part of my adult life, and I've always had a lifelong dream to ride my bike across the country. Today is Sunday, March the 11th. Yesterday, I rode the Solvang Century. It's just 100 miles in one day. The race across America is 35 centuries in 41 days. It's a really difficult challenge, one I'm looking forward to meeting. I'm not there yet. I will be by September. I want this ride across America to be more than just about me. What I want to do is gather sponsorship for my ride. I want to use it to help make the world a better place, to give back, and I could really use your help. We got an initial pledge from friends of $5 a mile, and that's a great start. That's about $16,000 in total. And that money would go 100% to charities to benefit children and programs that really need our help. The more people that help, the more people that sponsor, is going to make it next to impossible for me to quit, make it impossible for me to let you down, make it impossible for me to fail the wonderful children we're trying to serve. I'm Don Shepard, and I hope you can join me on this ride across America to help make this world a better place. Together we really can make a difference.